Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a new user to your Nintendo Switch. So if you only have like 1 or 2 users and you want to add another profile, go to System Settings on the home screen, then scroll on down under here, and simply go to Users. Then you can change the order, so if you want one account first, you can go to Change Order. Otherwise you can go to Add User right here. Select this. Then you have the option to create a new user, or you can import user data from another console. If you have an existing user data on another system, you can copy or transfer it over to this system. Otherwise, create a new user. So you can just go up to the top right here, select a profile. So, I don't know, let's go to Fox. Otherwise, you have more options on the bottom. So let's just type something in. Let's just type in this right here. And then go to the Y button. Go to the plus icon and we can go to OK. Then we can add this user. So let's go to OK right here. Then you can link a Nintendo account if you have something like that. It says you can link it now. Access online play, friends, features, and Nintendo eShop. Okay, so you can do that. Otherwise, you can just do that later. Then we can see all the different accounts now. So I have 4 of them. Then we can see on the top. So if we go to this page, we can go to friends list, add a friend, but we do need to link Nintendo Online to do that. So if you have an email address available, go ahead and try doing that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.